Hi, in this video I'll show you how to do a Cartesian join with Power Query. Cartesian join takes the concept of a Cartesian product and it basically means what is the product of two lists. How we can use it in the real world is, let's say for example, we have colors and we have item numbers. These could be cars, they could be boats, ships. What are all the possible combinations of an item number and a color? And we have our larger list here, which is the combination, all the possible combinations of that. And that's called a Cartesian product. And I've had previous videos showing you how to create a Cartesian join using other methods. And Excel is great at letting you do the same or similar things using different methods. And this method, we're going to use Power Query. Now, Power Query is available on Excel 2016 natively. If you have previous versions of Excel like 2010 or 2013, you're going to have to download it from Microsoft and enable it. Since this is Excel 2016, it's already there. Let me go to my sheet here. I have my range, my list of values here. I'm going to first turn them into tables, Control T to turn that first range of items into a table. Click OK, and then Control T here. My table does have headers. The first row is a header field. Click OK. And something good to do within Power Query is to name our tables before we bring it into Power Query in this instance, so we get an idea of what we're bringing in. So I'm going to call this item. And for this table, we'll just call it color. Right. Now I go into the Data tab, and I can select any one of these tables. It doesn't matter which one. Let's go with color since that was our first column. We'll just select this one as the first one. Go to Data, from Table, and it's going to bring up the Power Query editor. And in this editor, I'm just going to bring it into Power Query as a query in it by itself. Don't need to do anything else to it. Click Close and Load, and close and load as a connection. So I'll select this connection here, load, and do the same thing with item number. So I will click item number from table, and also do the same thing and select it as a connection. So close and load to a connection. Right. So I have both my connection only queries, and I am going to create another query out of them. So I'll just select the color query, right click, and click reference, and it's going to create a new query. It's going to reference the output of that query, of the color query, and create a new query. I'll just call this one combo or combination combo, and just press enter. And I'm going to go to add column and add a custom column. And in the custom column window here I'll just type item, and this is that name of that other query, right? Item. Click OK, and it's going to bring in a table. So it's going to bring in, if I click on the white space here, now you notice it brought in the values of the table. So for each record or each row here, a color orange, the corresponding table here are all those different items. If I click here to expand it, I could bring the item number in. I don't want to use the original column name as a prefix. Click OK, and it explodes it out here. So I have my reds with items 1 to 6, my oranges, my item 1 to 6, and all I need to do now is click close and load. I'll just close and load, and by default it will show up in a different sheet. So I have my reds here, my oranges here, and if I wanted to change or add items here, all I need to do, let's say I had item 7 here, and I had another color here, brown, right? All I need to do is just click refresh on combo. If I go to sheet 2 here, I can right click refresh here, or click on refresh here, that refresh icon, and now you notice I have an item 7 there for each one, and I also have brown here at the bottom with the corresponding items there. So that's our way that we can create a Cartesian join or Cartesian product table with Power Query. And that's the way that we can get from two lists, what are all the possible combinations of those two lists, two or more lists when you think about it. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.